Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Teamwork and ClickUp, two leading project management platforms with very different strengths. If you're running a client services business or a fast-moving internal team, picking the right tool can make or break productivity. I'll walk you through their features, pricing, ease of use, and which one fits different types of teams best. So let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what these platforms are really designed for. Teamwork is purpose-built for agencies and service businesses that manage multiple client projects. It's focused on helping teams plan, track, and deliver billable work profitably. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a more general-purpose platform. It's designed to be an all-in-one workspace where you can manage tasks, documents, goals, time tracking, and even whiteboards, making it ideal for internal teams or businesses that want high customization and flexibility. Now let's look at features. Teamwork includes everything from time tracking and billing to workload management, project templates, and client collaboration. It also offers advanced features like retainer tracking, profitability reports, and resource scheduling, which are particularly helpful for agencies managing retainers and budgets across multiple clients. ClickUp is more feature-dense and gives you granular control over how everything is organized. You get task lists, Gantt charts, automations, custom fields, docs, and dashboards. It's more flexible than Teamwork in terms of building custom workflows, but also more complex to set up if you're new to project management tools. Next, let's look at usability. Teamwork has a cleaner, more streamlined interface, which makes it easier for service-based teams to stay organized without getting distracted by too many customization options. It's especially user-friendly when it comes to managing clients, deadlines, and deliverables. ClickUp is also visually modern and powerful, but it takes a bit of time to get used to it because it's so customizable. It can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially for non-technical users or those new to digital project management. That said, once you've built your setup, it's incredibly efficient. When it comes to collaboration, both tools allow real-time updates, comments, mentions, and file sharing, but Teamwork gives you the added bonus of inviting clients to projects without using paid seats. It also offers stronger billing and permission settings tailored for external stakeholders. ClickUp does allow guest access and role management, but it's not as agency-focused in that regard. Now let's talk about the numbers. Pricing. Teamwork has 4 plans. Deliver at $13.99 per user per month, grow at $25.99, scale at $69.99, and a custom-priced enterprise plan. ClickUp offers a free forever plan, then moves to unlimited at $10, business at $19, and enterprise with custom pricing. So which one should you choose? Well, if you're managing client work, tracking billable hours, and need smooth collaboration between internal teams and clients, Teamwork is the better option. But if your focus is internal team workflows and you want a flexible platform that can be molded into just about anything, ClickUp is the one to go with. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.